Paki-disagree na lang, partner. Kung lumabas yun, sabi ng iba, ano daw, manipulated daw, etc. etc. Nandito po sa picture na to, I'm sure you're all familiar. Nag-print na ako ng reference niyo para maganda usapan. Pero nasa internet ko lang po kinuha ito. Akala ko nga nung una, nung hindi ko pa kliyente si Miss Cassie Leong, ay ano to Photoshop, kasi lahat nandito di ba? Parang meme, di ba? Now, I would like to tell you that Miss Cassandra Leong confirms the authenticity of this picture. Sabi niya, ang nakikita nyo rito sa picture na to, talagang nandyan at the same time, at this place, and on that date, with President Marcos and First Lady Lisa Marcos. She confirms this. Yan yung sinasabi. Former BOC official, retired general, friend of DBM, nandiyan yan. Jose Maria Ortega, Actor Director ngayon. Benito Tecnico, Special Envoy to China. Mr. Wo, Pogo owner sa Borac. Wife of Rainier Chu, ito si Rainier Chu, Bongbong Marcos, Lisa Marcos. This picture, yan. Pero mahawak may hawak ako. Bihira ka naman. Moderator ka, magtrabaho. Bihira kang tao ka. Loko ko She also confirms that she has some information regarding Pogo operations. And this picture may hold the clue as to why Pogo operations, especially illegal Pogo, multiplied during the time of President Marcos because they were being aided and abetted by some officials of the present administration. Sabi nga nila, a picture speaks 1,000 words. Bahala na kayo mag-conclude kung sino-sino mang nandito na maaaring mag-aid and abet ng illegal Pogo operations. Ito na rin siguro picture na ito ang clue kung bakit nagkaroon bigla ng crackdown sa Pogo operations. Kasi alam naman natin lahat yan dalawa naman yung Pogo yung sa Borac at saka sa Island Cove sa Cavite Province, di ba? Dalawang Pogo. Nandito na lahat ng clues. Nandito na. So authentic tong picture na to na may body language pa na naka-lean si Lisa Marcos kay Cassie Leong dito. Okay. However, ang impormasyon kong ito, from my evaluation, may be self-incriminatory. Therefore, I have advised my client to invoke her constitutional right to remain silent and against self-incrimination. At we are hoping that the members of the Senate and the House will not attempt to threaten, bully, bamboozle her into waiving these rights because these rights are sacred under the Constitution. At ang mga miyembro po ng Senate at the House, like all other public officials, when they took their oath of office, they vowed to uphold the laws of the Philippines, and the Constitution is the highest law. So nakita niyo na po ang salasalabat na istorya ng Pogo. Okay? Ngayon, kung ano bang mangyari kay Miss Cassie Leong sa akin, there are mechanisms to ensure that the information will be revealed to the public, but now is not the right time. So, pag may nangyari sa akin fatal, the lawyer-client privilege is severed, pwede pong isiwalat ito. Pag may nangyari kay Cassie Leong, ganun din po. So, sa ngayon po ay hindi namin pwedeng sabihin dahil self-incriminatory, at this is not the right time. We will wait for the right time. Because, as my parting words, the people who are now in government are maybe failing to realize that they are not in power forever. Alam nyo, ito, trivia lang, I just could not resist. Di ba tinuro sa atin yung Roman Empire? Pagka merong victory in war or may great celebration, yung emperor, pinaparada yan sa buong Rome. Sigawan yung mga tao, di siyempre proud na proud yung emperor. Meron siyang isang alalay sa likod, may binubulong sa kanya. Ang bulong sa kanya ay, respice post. Non est Deus. Homo est memento. Anong ibig sabihin noon? Look behind you. You are not a God. You are only a man. Dapat may mag-remind sa mga opisyal natin ng ganito para hindi sila nang-aabuso. Maraming salamat po.